There is no silver bullet to decarbonizing global energy supplies, but there is a silver lining. By drastically rethinking how we use advanced nuclear technology alongside renewables like wind and solar power, we can create a reliable, flexible, and affordable energy future. One that finally ends the dependency on fossil fuels and provides consumers with a dispatchable supply that answers spikes in demand. At our development facility in the northwest of England, we've developed the new FLEX reactor. Building on technology first pioneered in the 1950s, our scientists have harnessed 21st century advances to create a groundbreaking reactor that can reshape the energy landscape. It all starts with salt. The reactor uses a patented system of 2 molten salts, one acting as the fuel, whilst the other circulates as a coolant, transferring the heat from the nuclear reaction using convection without the need for pumps. Crucially for costs, it doesn't need the large, expensive concrete and steel structures used in traditional nuclear to contain the nuclear material, or the high-cost control systems to maintain safety. And size matters when it comes to making nuclear more flexible. This whole process can take place in a space no bigger than an average 2-storied house and would power 40,000 homes. The modular nature of the design and ability to deploy energy in numerous ways is what sets the FLEX reactor apart. The reactor produces heat at 750 degrees Celsius. This heat can be used to produce high-grade steam for electricity generation. Alternatively, it can provide a clean source of power to decarbonize heavy industry, such as steel production. It will reduce the costs of hydrogen production by using more efficient chemical processes. The FLEX reactor can also solve an issue that's long blighted renewables: how to keep a constant flow of energy when the sun isn't shining and the wind isn't blowing. Just like gas-powered plants, the FLEX reactor can quickly ramp up and down to feed energy grids in line with demand. It can even power cargo ships. The safe design means it doesn't require a highly specialized crew to operate it. It is one of the very few energy sources with a realistic chance of eliminating the damaging emissions of global shipping. The FLEX reactor is a key part of the MoltexFLEX vision to have a truly global impact on climate change. To ensure a just transition, we need to invest in clean, low-cost, flexible energy sources that can decarbonize the world. The FLEX reactor is faster to build than a traditional nuclear plant and costs no more than a coal or gas plant to build and operate. And it can run for 16 to 25 years without the need for refueling. It can provide grid-scale thermal energy storage at a fraction of the cost of other available technologies. At current projections, it can store unused energy at 1/8 of the cost of batteries. We've long known of the benefits to using molten salt for power generation. Now we have the capability to unleash them, delivering a truly global, clean energy future.